Take beta. Swayam. Take. Akira.
Pass, pass,
Pass.
pass.
Pass. Pass. Pass first. Pass. Pass. Stop. Nishita. What is your name?
My name is Nishita. I am studying UKG. My school name is Krishnaveli Talent School. Thank you.
Wait, sit down. Pass. Pass. Swayam. Akira. Pass. Pass. Anushka. Stand. Stop. What is your name?
My name is Anushka.
How old are you? How old are you?
5 years old.
What is your school name?
Krishnaveli Talent School.
Which class are you studying? Sit properly. Pass. Swayam. Sit properly. Hold your legs. Pass. Pass. Saiti. Parnika. Pass. 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 Stop. Get up.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, friends. My name is Vaishnav. I am studying this class. 5 years old. My school name is Krishnaveli Talent School.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Swayam. Swayam. Pass the ball, beta. Akira. Pass. Pass. Stop. Stop. Get up. Stand.
Morning, teacher. Good morning, parents. My name is Shanshani.
Very good. What is your school name?
Krishnaveli Talent School. 5 years old.
Which class are you studying?
UKG class.
Very good. Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.